Hey y'all, I just want to come on here real quick to say is that I'm grateful for my struggles. I'm grateful that God has allowed me to go through certain things in life for me to have a better understanding of life, period. Life has not always been, peaches and cream. You have a little storms or tornadoes up in the mix every once in a while. But it's what you make of it. Are you going to learn from that storm? Or are you going to allow the storm to overtake you? So I'm grateful for my struggles. My struggles have made me who I am today. So I encourage you to be grateful for the struggles. It may be a battle that you may not understand right now, but eventually as time goes on and things start to look better for you, you'll be more grateful for your storm. You'll be more grateful for your trials and tribulations because they is what makes you who you are today. Peace.